Welcome to our video on creating amazing videos using artificial intelligence. We'll show you how AI can revolutionize your video creation process. Artificial intelligence can be used to create stunning videos by analyzing data and making predictions. Imagine having a tool that understands your vision and brings it to life. Visla Platform is an AI-powered video creation platform that can help you create amazing videos. Bring your ideas to life with Visla. With Visla's idea to video feature, it's easy to turn your ideas into engaging, attention-grabbing videos. Simply input your ideas and let Visla handle the rest. Try it out today and see the difference it can make for your content creation. Easily create videos from script. Grow your audience by creating videos from texts. Quickly generate videos from your story scripts in minutes. Our L recommends best matching footages to generate engaging videos from text. Fast and effective marketing videos. Minimize the turnaround time needed for video creation as Visla's AI does most of the work for you. Create high-quality videos at scale and grow your brand presence. Here's a 3-step guide on how to use Visla Platform to create amazing videos. Add a script. Add and edit your script along with your prompt. Choose whether you want to use the text as is or let our AI write a new video script based on the text by selecting Enhance Story with AI. Al generates video. Generate the video and watch the magic happen. Make adjustments. Easily refine the scenes to get the perfect video. Add text and adjust footages to better tell your story. Thank you for watching the video on creating amazing videos using artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for all inputs regarding upcoming AI platforms that can help you earn money.